TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. That's what a lot of people are saying at their JOBs, waiting for their paychecks. Me, you know, it's a Friday over here. Not even 11:30 a.m. yet. Not even noontime yet. Already made $53,000 plus for the week. Just from one of the income streams, actually two of the income streams here. We've got 5 income streams as of right now here in the multiple income funnel. Okay, I'm just out here going for my walk. I got about, I don't know if you can see that, almost 5,200 steps in this morning. And just got this text notification about my commissions, okay? Again, 2 of the 5 income streams we have here in the system. My question to you is, what are you waiting for? All right, have you watched my video yet explaining exactly how this works? If not, I need you to enter your email address below this video. The same email address that we emailed you to send you to this video today, enter that same email address, and we're gonna find you and locate you inside the system, and we're gonna bring you back to the presentation so you can learn how I'm having people's annual salaries in a single week just with 2 of 5 income streams here in multiple income funnel. Go ahead, enter your info below this video right now, and have a great weekend. This is Mac, and I'll see you on that video.